In September 2024, the Polaris Dawn mission launched from Kennedy Space Center aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. The mission aimed to push the boundaries of private space exploration by reaching an altitude of 870 miles, the highest since the Apollo era, providing valuable data on human exposure to space radiation. The crew conducted the world's first private spacewalk. Jared Isaacman and Sarah Gillis ventured outside the Crew Dragon capsule to test newly designed SpaceX spacesuits. These lightweight suits are essential for future deep space missions, including potential Mars expeditions. During their mission, the crew performed 36 experiments related to human health in space. They studied the effects of radiation, motion sickness, and microgravity on the body, contributing crucial data for NASA's long-term spaceflight research. Polaris Dawn also tested a laser communication system that links with SpaceX's Starlink satellites. This technology could revolutionize space communication, providing faster and more reliable connections for future missions, including those involving spacecraft beyond Earth's orbit. After 5 days in space, the Polaris Dawn crew safely splashed down in the Gulf of Mexico. Their mission marked another major milestone for private spaceflight, advancing technology for future commercial and scientific missions in deep space. The Polaris Dawn mission set new records in private space exploration, and it's just the beginning of humanity's journey into deeper space. If you want more updates on this mission or other exciting space events, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us what current events you'd like to stay informed about in the future.